Hello students, good evening. How are you? Fine? Very good. Okay students, today we'll do revision of lesson number 9. Lesson number 9. And lesson number 9 is sound of U. Okay? Sound of U. My dear students, you have to read these words yourself. मैम ने आपको पहले भी ये रीड कराए थे, अभी आप इनको अपने आप रीड करेंगे. ओके, एंड दिस यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल डू रिविजन इन नोटबुक. ओके, सी RW you will write RW on the top. Then you will write today's date 13 July 2021. Okay, now name the pictures. Okay, name the pictures. Students, I have drawn some pictures here. You have to write the name of the pictures and it will be based on sound of U. Okay, see, this is a picture of tub. Picture of tub. Then what you will write? First tell me the spelling of tub. It's very easy. T-U-B. T-U-B, tub. Clear? Any problem? ये टब है तो मैम ने यहाँ पे टब की स्पेलिंग राइट कर दी. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट. पिक्चर किसकी है ये? यस, इट्स अ पिक्चर ऑफ गन. Spelling of gun is G-U-N. G-U-N. Okay. Now this is a picture of cup. C-U-P. Cup. Okay. Now next picture. This is a picture of hut. H-U-T. H-U-T, hut. Picture, tell me what is this? Yes, this is a jug. J-U-G. J-U-G, jug. And last one, this is sun. S-U-N. S-U-N, sun. Okay, this is tub, gun, cup, hut, jug and sun. Now come to next page. Fill in the blanks with vowel U. We have to fill these blanks with vowel U. C blank P. Which vowel will come? C-U-P, cup. T blank P. T-U-B, tub. G blank N. G-U-N, gun. N blank T. N-U-T, nut. S blank N. S-U-N, sun. H blank T. H-U-T, hut. P blank P. P-U-P, up. M blank G. M-U-G, mug. R blank B. R-U-B, rub. C cup, tub, gun, nut, sun, hut, pup, mug and last one rub. Okay students, this is revision of lesson number 9 and do this work in your English notebook and handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay students, take care. Bye.